Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. To all my subscribers and my followers, thank you all. Today we're going to be making a very delicious pineapple cake. I'm going to be showing you how to make this cake at home. Very simple, very moist, and very delicious. First off, we have our pineapple right here. So I'm going to be washing this pineapple and cutting them. I'll put them in the freezer, and when it's frozen, I'm going to bring it out, and then our baking process starts. Right here, these are my pineapples, so I'm dropping them into the food processor. As you can see, I'm just pulsing it, and then later I started grinding. At this point, it's roughly smooth. So I'm gonna put this aside while I make other ingredients. This is our flour that we'll be using, and then I just added some salt. Also, I'm adding some baking powder. And I'm gonna mix that together. And here is my mixing bowl. At first, I'm adding some milk. And I'm gonna add sugar. And I'm gonna be mixing that together. This is a very delicious cake that your family and friends would love. And it's very easy to make. So it's time to add our eggs. And I'll mix that also. And then I just added some vanilla, and it's time to add our already grinded pineapple. If you notice, I didn't put enough sugar. I didn't put so much sugar because you know pineapple is already sweet. So we're getting our sweetness from the pineapple. So it's time to add our dry ingredients. I'm going to be sieving that into it bit by bit. See you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.